Hello, it's Bekah and welcome to an afternoon of Valentine's Day homemaking here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. I hope you are having a wonderful beginning to your New Year so far. Today I'll be doing lots of things, mainly here in my kitchen. It's going to be decorating with really cute farmhouse vintage type of decor, DIYs, little tea towels, which can be a very inexpensive way to decorate your home for any holiday for that matter. But then I'll move on to making these chewy and decadent raspberry cookies. So it should be lots of fun. So as always, I'm so glad you're here with me today and have stopped by for a Valentine's Day visit here at our home, the Carriage House. So first I'm going to make a warm cup of tea, light a few candles, maybe put on a little bit of jazz music before I begin decorating. I just drove into town and stopped at our local healing shop and bought these rose petals along with a black oolong tea that's shaped into little hearts, which I thought were really cute. But I'm really hoping to provide a little bit of inspiration, Valentine's Day homemaking inspiration for you. So going to make this tea, I wish you were here with me. I would make you a cup as well, but then after that, going ahead and begin decorating.
One step, one more, let it go. Take that moment
and safe as possible. It's never perfect by any means. Homeschooling 4 children, ages 14, 13, 7, and 4, it can be quite challenging at times, but I stick with it. I'm sure this kitchen will be in a complete disarray tonight by my teenagers after I go to bed and wake up in the morning. Sometimes it does feel like a never-ending cycle of doing the dishes, doing laundry, and can make us feel like a lack of self-worth at times. And I believe that we are called to take care of our homes as mothers and wives, whether they're grown up and moved away from the nest or little like mine. I know it's not a popular thing now these days. Being sassy and, excuse my language, being bitchy is what is held high upon and put on a pedestal now these days. But I will not conform to that in the new ways of the world. I encourage you to not as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's visit. It's time to go now, but I'll leave more heartwarming videos for you here. You can always subscribe and become part of our slow living homemakers circle, where we cherish the simple pleasures in this life. Wishing you well and stay safe, my sweet friend. Bye.